Hey there, fashion lovers. Are you a petite woman struggling to find clothing that fits just right? Do you find yourself constantly drowning in long pants and oversized blouses? Fear not, because in this video, we're sharing 5-minute fashion tips for petite women that will have you looking stylish and feeling confident. First of all, it's important to understand that being petite is all about proportion. You want to make sure that your clothing is proportionate to your body size, so opt for pieces that elongate your figure. High-waisted pants and skirts are a perfect example of this. They cinch at the smallest part of your waist and make your legs appear longer. Next up, let's talk about prints. Prints can be tricky for petite women because they can overwhelm your frame. When choosing prints, look for smaller patterns and avoid anything too busy or bold. And remember, vertical stripes are your best friend. They create the illusion of height and elongate your body. Now let's talk about dresses. Maxi dresses may seem intimidating, but they can actually work really well for petite women. The trick is to choose a dress with a defined waistline and try to avoid anything too flowy or shapeless. You want the dress to accentuate your curves and create a flattering silhouette. Another helpful tip is to pay attention to sleeve length. Long sleeves can make your arms appear shorter, so opt for 3/4 length or elbow length sleeves. They'll show off your forearms and create a more balanced look. Last but not least, let's talk about shoes. As a petite woman, you might be tempted to always wear high heels to add some height. While heels can certainly help, they're not always practical for everyday wear. Instead, look for pointed toe flats or loafers. They're chic, comfortable, and will visually elongate your legs. So there you have it, 5-minute fashion tips for petite women. Remember to focus on proportion, choose prints wisely, opt for defined waistlines, pay attention to sleeve length, and choose pointed toe flats or loafers. With these tips, you'll be able to create a stylish and flattering wardrobe that's perfect for your petite frame. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. And, if you have any other tips for petite women, please leave them in the comments below. See you in the next video.